Pick up your fork. We're gonna have oatmeal. Pick up your fork. Okay, I'm gonna put some oatmeal on your fork. I know it's probably gonna be messy, but you love this. Okay? I'm gonna put some oatmeal on your fork. Can I? Here, I'm gonna put some oatmeal on your fork. Okay, eat your oatmeal. Other side. Other side. Can I put some oatmeal on your fork? Can I? Here. There you go. Look, I put some oatmeal on your fork. Put some oatmeal on your fork. Do you want that? Do you want that? Yay, Olivia. Get that yummy stuff. Wow, you're such a big girl. Can I put some more on there? Okay, oatmeal and bananas. Oatmeal and bananas. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at those skills. Mmm. You're growing up way too fast, babe. Way too fast. Here, let me put some more on there. Let me see. Put some more on there. Okay. Mmm. Num num nums. Okay. One more? You like that. Can I put some more oatmeal on your fork? Mmm. It's good times. Can I put some more in there? Can I put some more in there? You want that one? Okay. Wow. Good job. Good job. Way to go, babe.